I will talk about how can you change your name and username on your Getcontact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on menu down here. So when you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on account settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here and you come here to name and username here, just click on it. I'm going to change it here. So I'm going to add this for example. Then you go down, click here on save. Then here it's going to save with you here. It's success with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.